You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to say beer in Korean. Beer is one of the most enjoyed alcoholic beverage in Korea. If you want to learn more Korean, stay tuned, and more beer names as well. Stay tuned, we got them all here. Maek-Ju is how you pronounce it. Let's hear it carefully again. Korean pronunciation. Maek-Ju. Maek-Ju. If you ask for a Maek-Ju in Korea, you're going to be served a beer, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.